Wow, that is tire on my fender from rubbing so bad. What's up guys, good morning. Today is kind of an exciting day because I've been doing a lot to my Z, but nothing really to the front end. I've had the same like weird looking angry eyes and lip on there for a while, but today that's gonna change, and pretty excited. That terrible wrap job is changing. Oh, it's so nice to sit in this thing, honestly. Can't go that way, really. Oh, we have a little bit of leeway going that way. That's pretty bad. So, we're doing a front splitter today, and possibly doing the front plate, but I'm not sure yet. So these are coming off, because they're supposed to be carbon fiber, but it's like cheap wrap. So that's coming off. The headlights are getting something all new this week. Plate is not gonna be like ugly boy bent like this anymore this week. This is all going away, luckily. That's just gonna be a nice shiny gloss black there. And the lip's gonna be on today. Real quick before we get to, I'm gonna slap this on my rear fender. This one is the one that got most messed up when we were rolling them. So just gonna put that right there. There we go. And I got the other box logo in there on the dash. Oh, I can't say too much, but my car is actually getting something performance related done this week. It's been entirely stock except exhaust this whole time, but it's actually getting something performance related, so stick around. I want to keep things kind of a surprise, but what I can hint at as this might not look stock anymore as of this week, and this will not be eBay.
I wonder what's for dinner.
Parts I'm getting are not eBay cheap, don't worry. They're actually like a decent brand. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these wraps off, which is gonna be really weird. Here is without the wrap now. Pretty bad, pretty dirty right now. Trust me, you will not miss the angry eyes. Something much cooler is coming this week. Stay tuned. Dexter! Hey, to everyone that doesn't know, by the way, Dexter. When I say Dexter, Famous Dex. He's a really popular rapper.
I never seen the coming song.
He did a song with like ASAP, and he's cool.
What? My brother pull like a socket. Kicking this door, yeah, I got him. Open the safe, you can't lock it. What? Sipping that walk, yeah, go to the top. Bust on your bitch like a Glock.
He says Dexter, and oh man, goddamn.
Man, goddamn. Oh man, goddamn. Oh man.
All stuff like that. I just like the way he talks, thinks it's funny, so copy it. I was gonna make a stupid video when I first bought these wheels, and I was gonna put my work Euroline center caps on my ESRs and call it like, how to make any rep wheel look brand new and real. I didn't do it. I didn't want to get that hosed on the internet, so I didn't do it, but definitely thought about it. Wow, Ricky, you just like revitalized cutting metal. Oh man, I'm too late, but look at that. What are you gonna do about that like line on it? Yes.
I'm just gonna go unbolt this and then really just cut it off. Alright, I'm thinking that the max length metal we have is 31, so that would cover from here to here.
Okay.
Do a 14-inch piece that has the bend.
Yes.
Probably roughly here, but it's probably gonna end right here with the bends on each side.
Okay.
Make a separate piece and then the wing.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
But is that alright if you could do 2 pieces and extend it, but if you want it like one continuous piece, I'd say right here is
Yeah, I think that's the best idea. Yeah, I want that front part to be like mostly one piece, yeah. Matt is also here. You know what you're doing?
That's how you do it, right? Final product. Ew.
So I think Ricky knows what he's doing. I kind of understand what he's doing a little bit now. And he's going to do that and then cut angles and have two separate pieces that angle up to follow the curvature of the bumper. Because it's got that weird bump out thing. Also kind of a fan of the no bumper life. So the fin, the lip here is mostly on. Now we're messing around with doing the fins on the side there. I have a picture I'll throw on screen of what I was thinking for the fins, and we're not sure how to transform this into them. We're gonna bend this piece up rather than making a whole new bracket that we would have to like L bracket onto it, because that'll probably look nicer. We didn't stencil anything on that side yet. We're just gonna try to figure this side out and match it on the other side, but it's all cut out now. Finishing up. Nice, more of a curve to it. That gloss is not bad. Do you see it picking up the light?
Yeah.
Tack coat is going on now. So we did round off all the edges, or not we, Ricky rounded off all the edges there. So it should all blend together nicely. The fins are all rounded off too. So going well. Those logos look fresh. They're almost like paint matched. Damn. Looks sick. And then the plate is gonna go right here. We're working on that now. So last night's video kind of just trailed off and stopped in an awkward place because I wanted to be able to show you guys the final product in the daylight here. So I tinted those turn signals. There's a couple spots that I think it could use work. Like I wish that curve was more even. I wish it came out here and like jutted back so that fin was more straight up and down. But honestly, for like our first try doing it, I think it turned out pretty nice. As far as the front end for this car though, keep a look at because I got things coming for it this week. It's gonna look really different. We'll see you guys tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure. Whenever stuff starts arriving for this. So. Peace.